So I'm back again with another mini camera review because why not? The numbers are saying the people like it, and if the people like it, I love it. I'm going to give the people what they want. All right. So for this reason, welcome to today's episode of Unbox, Test and Review. So this is the camera we're going to be reviewing today. This is how it looks like. I think it's the cutest patootie camera ever. Now this time around, this is not a surveillance camera. This is an actual camera, and we will be testing it out today. Now obviously I already unboxed it before I brought it to you guys, but I want to try it out with y'all. And for now, let me show you the specs of it. This is the shutter button. So this is the button we would use to take the videos and the photos. This is the power on button. Let's power it on now. Yep, now it's turned on. This lens over here is not detachable. I think it's just a prop, so it's fake. Oh, this light actually works. The flashlight actually works. And this is the USB-C port that you would use to charge it, and this is the SD slot. It doesn't come with an SD card. I put an SD card in it, and the SD card you put in it has to be formatted before you put it in here. And this button is used to zoom in. Oh, look at the screen now. So this button is used to zoom in. You can see it's zoomed in. And this button is used to change the color mode of the picture or video you're taking. So it has a 4x zooming. So that's it about the specs of the camera. So now we have to test it out. I want to try take a selfie now. So if you take a picture, it would, if you click on this button here and it shows green when you click on it, it means the picture has been taken and has been saved. Now to make videos, we would have to double click on the button. What's going on now? Don't embarrass me. Hello, hold on, I have to figure this out. Here's the manual. Okay, so it's not double, it's a long press. We have to long press this shutter button here, and you see now it's recording. I think I changed the color mode. I don't like this color mode. Let me see if I can. Oh no, I can't do it while it's filming. See. Hello everybody, hope you're feeling fine. So now I'm going to remove the SD card and see if it actually works. So we have unboxed, we have tested, and now it's time for the grand review. I have to remove the SD card slots, and it's quite difficult to remove without you having something to remove it with. But anyways, now I'm going to put it in my phone and see. And you see now it's recording. I think I changed the color mode. I don't like this color mode. Hello everybody, hope you're feeling fine. Hello everybody, hope you're feeling hope you're feeling fine. It's giving 720 or 360p, but it's still giving vintage and, you know, camcord. But I'm actually fascinated that it actually works. So yeah, let's just give it a plus. But my problem with this now is that when I try to open it with video player, so with video player, it just plays the audio. But then if I open it with an editing app like InShot, so if I open it with an editing app like InShot, then I'm going to see. So you have to be aware of that. I don't know if that would be the same for you, but for me, it doesn't open directly through video player. It opens when I open it with a video editing app. So that's something to consider. Now you're probably asking, of what use is this tiny camera? My dear, you can use it as a key holder, especially as a creative. I own a camera, so if I have it as a key holder, people would get curious and ask, okay, why is that a real camera? I'm like, yeah, I'm a creative. I don't know, it sounds ridiculous. I really don't know what to use this for except for a key holder. I think it just adds more personality. So this lanyard here, it has two holes here. I hope you can see it. And in this holes, you can fix the string, and then you can hang it on your bag. There's a lot you can do with it. You can also give it as a gift or a prank. You can also use it to take funny, cheeky pictures. You can use it as a conversation starter. The options are endless. Again, the quality is not that great, especially for this year. If you're buying it because you want a good camera, then you're playing with yourself, don't do it. But if you're just buying it because it's a thing, it exists, and you have adult money, then why not do your thing? Anyways, if you're interested in more things like this, hello, my name is Jessica Okole, and over here I make videos about AI, tech, content creation, and business. And I make these things super easy in a way that every single person will be able to understand and use them to make their life easier, basically. So if you're interested in this, give me a big fat thumbs up and click on the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.